another video. And today, you can tell what we're doing by the title of our video.
No.
So, Incredible Zach, you want to tell them what we're doing today?
Yeah.
What are we making?
We're making slime.
We are making edible slime. Now, I have my own. Incredible Zach have his own. I have
Kool-Aid.
Yeah, Zach have Kool-Aid.
And we can eat it.
Yep, Zach have Kool-Aid edible slime. And I have, show the Incredible Kids. So comment down below if y'all ever made this or seen this or even heard of it. Because I've never heard of it until I seen it online. And I said, okay, that'd be a good video. But anyways, I have unicorn slime, 100% edible, strawberry flavor. Comment down below if you ever made this kind or seen this kind. Now, with mine, I think I only need water. It say measure 3 level scoops of slime into a medium bowl. Pour 1 scoop of warm water into a bowl. Stir with spoon for 30 seconds. It say add 1 tablespoon of warm water if you want smoother slime. And then it say play with it using your hands. So I only need water, but we don't know what Incredible Zach needs. So let's open his and see what he needs. Let's open yours. You gotta pull that down.
This?
Yeah.
This? Or this?
Yeah. Pull it down, lift that up. Pull your packet out. Is there more in here?
Yeah, paper.
So that's the instructions. Is that all of it?
Yep.
Okay, so let's set that to the side. So he has a package full of all of his ingredients and everything he would need. Okay, so let's see everything that you need. And then we might have to go get some stuff. Let's open it. Can you not open it? Okay, so I'm gonna let you open it while I look and see what we need. So the kit includes an instruction sheet, which is what I have. 2 pouches of flavor packets. 2 pouches of secret slime mix, 550 G each. 1 bag of edible confetti. 2 storage containers. 1 mixing cup, 1 spoon, and 1 pair of gloves. Materials needed is water and measuring spoons. So we have, and we also need our our mixing bowls where we're gonna mix our slime in, which I forgot to get this in the kitchen. So Zach had I think this is the secret slime mix. So he got 2 packs of the secret slime mix. What is that? This is 1 pack of the confetti. What is that one? Oh, this is gloves. They are small. I want to see how they're gonna look on your hands. This is blue raspberry blue raspberry flavored mix. I'm sorry. And then this one is cherry flavored mix. So Zach, you can make 2 different kinds of slime, or you can mix them and put both colors in 1 bowl. Ain't that cool? So what do you want to do? You want to make 1 big bowl? You want blue and red, or do you want to make blue and red separate?
Blue and red separate.
You want to make them separate, so you're going to make 2 different slimes? Okay. So let me go get our water, our measuring spoon, and our mixing bowls, and then we'll be right back. Okay? All right, Zach? All right, so now we're back, and let's scoot the table back so they can see everything. And we have our mixing bowls, and we have our water, and we have our instructions. Now, I'm gonna have to help Zach with his while I'm doing mine too, because obviously he can't do it by himself. But let's begin, okay?
With the water?
So I'm gonna open mine, but Zach, yours say open and pour 1 pouch of secret slime mix.
Mom, is the water?
This into a mixing cup. So this, you open this first, and you pour it into to the mixing cup. It say this, but it don't look big enough. So pour it in there. You got it? Be careful. Don't spill it. Okay, so he done did his first thing, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pour mine in first in my mixing bowl. Now let's say I need 2 cups. Now it actually don't even tell me. It's a measure 3 level scoops of slime mix into a medium bowl. So I'm gonna just use this. This is a half a cup, and I think it needs a whole cup. So I'm thinking 2 of these will be okay. So, or 3 of these. So let's try that. So after I do my method, my first method, we'll go back to his, okay? Ooh, uh-oh. You know what? That's not working. So I'm gonna use this. Look, it got a thingy in there.
What thingy? What's that?
I didn't need a measure thing. See, it didn't tell me that it already came with a measure thing, and I'm already making a mess. Look at my hands. Okay. So it's a measure 3 level scoops of slime mix into a medium bowl. So I'm thinking all 3 of these gotta be full. This remind me of baby formula when I have my kids. Oh, you miss drinking milk out of the bottle? Okay, so that's 1. This is a messy, y'all. This is 2. Okay, and I have 3. Okay. So that's my first method. So let me close this and let's see what Zach have. Now, Zach has gloves. So open your gloves and put your gloves on, Zach. Let me see.
They're too small for me.
Let's see. Let's see. Okay. Let's see.
Too big.
It might be too, yeah, they're too big. So you just have to. Do you want to wear them since they big still?
Yeah.
Okay. So just put your hands in there. Okay. There you go.
Where's your gloves?
They didn't give me gloves.
Uh-huh.
No, they didn't.
Uh-huh. They have 2.
No, they didn't give me gloves. Look, put your finger over there.
Huh?
Oh, boy. You got it in? Okay. So, Zach, your next instruction is open. Hold up. What are you doing? It say open and pour 1 pouch of either 5 gram flavor into the mixing bowl. 1 pouch, okay. Hold up. So this one is the flavor, yeah. So do you want to do the red one or the blue one first?
Blue.
Okay. So them gloves are kind of big, so you have to open this and pour it in there. Open it from this side. Where I'll open it for you, you can pour it, okay? Okay. Okay, there you go.
Here?
Pour it in there, yeah.
Blue kind.
Let's see. So that's how it looks so far.
You better not spill it.
And you got the paper in there. Okay. Like, is it more in there? There's some at the bottom. Just a little bit. Okay. So what was my next instruction? Now say pour 1 scoop of warm water into bowl. Stir with spoon for 30 seconds. So I'm thinking I'm going to use this, the same spoon. And it said pour 1 scoop. So I have to pour 1 scoop. This is my water.
It's my water?
Yes.
I got to pour the water.
Not yet. Wait till I'm done with mine first. Then you do yours next. You don't want to wear the gloves?
That's too big.
They too big?
Yeah.
Okay, well let me take them off.
I got it.
Let me see if they fit my hand.
Yeah, I can do it.
No, they don't. So they too little for me and they too big for Zach. Oh well. So this is my 1 scoop of warm water.
No.
Mm. And then it says
Mama.
stir with spoon
Mama.
for 30 seconds. Okay, hold on, Zach. All right. All right, so I'm going to stir mine. It say for 30 seconds.
Mama, can I put mine in here? Huh?
Ooh, it's getting hard, y'all. Look. But it won't let me stir. So I'm thinking I got to add more water because it's too stiff. And that's all I'm using is water. So let me add some more.
No, can I put mine here?
I'm going to let you do yours in a minute. Hold up. Well, I'm gonna let him do his next one, and I'm gonna still be stirring mine. Okay, so let's see what you need. Hold up. Now say, mix together the dry ingredients. So wait, not yet. Stir that first.
Stir it
Yep.
a long time.
Okay. Now yours are mixed up. Let me see. Okay. Now it says measure 2 teaspoons. Let's see. So it say measure 2 teaspoons of water and add to the mixing cup with the dry ingredients. So you need 2 teaspoons. I can't find my measuring cup, so I just got regular spoon. So I think this is a teaspoon. I think this is a tablespoon. So it say measure 2 teaspoons of water and add to the mixing cup. Now pour it in here so it won't spill.
That's enough.
Pour more. Okay. Now, do 2 of these like this. I'm gonna do the first one. 1, and you do the next one.
Can I pour all of them?
No. Put a little more because you didn't put enough. Okay. All right. Okay, it's enough. Now say use the spoon and thoroughly mix the water into the powder. Okay. Now mix it with this.
It's almost good.
Okay, let me see. Now it says
Mama, it's sticky.
you might need to look. Let me see. Hold on. So next year say use the spoon thoroughly to mix into the powder. The mix will start to colorize and stick together after a couple of minutes. Okay, wait, Zach.
Mama, do this.
Open and pour some of the edible confetti into your slime. It say pour some of this in there.
Yes.
Mine's is looking pretty good. So look. I think I need a little bit more of the powder. Let's see yours. Okay, stir yours up, Zach, with the spoon. Let me move this out your way. Okay. Open and put on a pair of gloves. Now, stretch, pull, eat that up. Okay. So that's how that looks. So I'm thinking we don't have enough water. So pour a little bit more water in there, Zach.
In here?
Yeah,
In here, Mama?
to mix it. Yeah, that's enough.
Oh!
Now mix it. Scoot your chair up. Let me help you. Let me help you.
Oh my gosh! It's turning
Oh, get that. Yeah. Kind of stinks.
Yeah.
You know what? You wanna mix this one too, there?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so we gonna just mix it together. All we using is water.
Oh my gosh.
And you poured it on the spoon.
I mixed it.
Okay. Yep. Let's put a little bit more water. No, not no more water. Mix it. See how it look.
Oh, it's
Let's show Incredible Kids how it look. Look how he is looking. And mix it some more.
Okay.
Oh, I think we gotta put this one in since we put the other color in. Let's pour this one in. The slime mix. Here, pour that in there.
Okay.
You don't drop your spoon. Okay, pour that in there.
There's a lot of it. Dang.
Okay, let me see. Mix it up with your spoon.
It's almost turning mine.
I think I'm gonna need more of this. Let me see. Oh, you're gonna need more water. Let's see.
I pour it.
Okay, now mix it.
Okay.
Let me see.
Let's see if it's fine now.
Now, do you want to use your hands
Yeah.
to pick it up?
Yeah.
Okay, hold up. Let me mix it.
Cat eat it.
Look how this look.
Mama, cat eat it. Huh? Huh, Mama? Cat eat it.
Yeah, you can eat it. It's ain't edible. So I'm gonna let you stir it a little bit longer, and then you can pick it up and move it with your hands.
Okay.
But mine's is too watery, so I think. See, so I think I'm gonna put a little bit
I'll
more.
put it. Got my hands in it now.
Yeah, you can pick it up, put it down. So you gotta show Incredible Kids.
Ready, second.
Look at his hands. Now he hates his hands to be dirty, so you have to play with it. Show Incredible Kids how it turns out.
I turned that.
Did it turn out good?
Eat it.
Try it. How it taste?
Good.
Let me try it.
Oh. No. No. This did not turn out.
I don't like it. You like it?
No.
So you can just mess with it. Since you don't like it, you can just mess with it. Put a little bit more water in it or stir it up. But let's show Incredible Kids how it turned out. Hold up. You see his hands? Pick it up. Pick it up. You gonna pick it up with a spoon? He don't like his hands dirty. Okay. So this how it turned out. I don't want to touch it, but that's how it turned out. Ooh. Ooh.
Don't put it in.
Okay. Now, we tasted it. Don't wipe that on me. He is so gross. Wipe it on you.
Yeah.
Nasty. Okay, let me see how mine's turned out. Oh, that's enough. You ain't pouring all that in there. Don't pour all that water in there. Okay. Ooh, mine's just getting there, y'all. Guys, he poured that in there to wash his hands. He do not like his hands to get nasty. Let me see. Look.
What? Let me see if it turns out. Ugh.
I don't even want to taste it because Zach's no was nasty. You don't pour all that water in there, okay?
Okay.
What are you doing with it?
I'm gonna put my hands.
You making a mess on the table. So you think yours turned out good?
Yes.
I think his turned out good, but it's not good. It's edible, but it's nasty. And I don't even want to taste this one. But it looked good. You want to try it? You want to try it?
No, you try.
If I try it, you try it.
No, you try.
Okay, but if I try it, you got to try it.
Okay, I don't want to.
Come
I
on.
don't see it.
And if I win, you going to taste it?
Yeah.
And you can't change your mind, okay?
Right.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh! No, not one more time. Because I beat you. You got
Please.
one more time. And if I win, you have to taste it.
Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Ah! Eat this slime, boy!
You taste it first.
I don't want to. Okay. If I taste it first, you gotta taste it.
Okay.
Okay. Then taste it. Okay. It's nasty. It tastes like mine and Zach's. It got the sweet taste, so mine do taste like strawberries. Like strawberry. But the aftertaste, it tastes like in your mouth, the texture is like, don't pour that in there. It's like baby powder. Oh, Zach, you didn't taste it. Here. He tried to get me, y'all. Come on. It's nasty. That one ain't bad. Drink some water. But mine's turned out great. I like it. Ooh. You like yours, Zach?
Yeah.
Let me see yours. That's enough. You making a mess on this table. Look at this table, y'all. He know better. Look at his.
Nasty.
His not very slimy. Let's add a little bit more water. Let's see. Not a lot.
Okay.
Not a lot, Zach. Pour it. Let's see if we can get it slimier. Okay. Why did you do that? He poured too much water. And he did it on purpose. Now it's too watery. Okay. All right. So he messed his up on purpose because
Lindsay.
he put too much water in
Let me
it.
see, Mom. Mom, let me see.
Let me show Incredible Kids first. Now it's all watery and nasty. And mine's is perfect.
Mama, taste mine.
I ain't tasting yours.
Taste mine.
Already,
I already taste yours.
but I already taste yours.
Try it again.
I don't want to try it again. You put all that water in it.
Come
Look
on.
at mine. You want to taste mine again?
Huh?
All right. So our edible slime turned out great. Do you think yours turned out good?
Yes.
It's time to clean this mess up because you got this table looking a hot mess. You bet not. Okay, so we are finna end this video. Zach, what did you like about this video?
Nothing.
Why?
God, these nasty.
You didn't think your slime turned out good?
No.
It turned out good, but it don't taste good. So comment down below if y'all ever ate or made edible slime. Because this was Zach's very first time. Stop, boy. You're acting crazy. Okay, so we are finna end this video. If y'all like this video, make sure you
like, subscribe.